Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today I will show you how to use coins on AliExpress. So let's open AliExpress application on the device, and first of all, before we start, I should mention that not all items on AliExpress have that discounts where you can use your coins. So let me show you on visual example how it should look like. So I'm going to this item, and if I scroll down a little bit, I can see here a line that says extra % off with coins. So that means that for this specific item, I can spend my coins, and which can be converted to discount. But as I mentioned earlier, some items do not have that discount. So like this item, if I scroll down, I do not see here that line that says that mentions something about this discount using your coins. Okay, so let me go back to this item that does support it and proceed to checkout page. So here I want to scroll down to summary section and enter saved section right here. And as you can see, AliExpress automatically deducted 1 coin for this order. And that gave me this little discount. And also I can tap here and select option that I don't want to use any coins this time, but I want to use my coins because I want to get my discount. Actually, sellers on AliExpress decide themselves which amount of discount they can offer you. And for example, this seller provides me 1% off, but if I go to this item at the top, I can see that this seller provides me 5% off with coins. And if I go to my checkout, let me show you. If I enter this saved section, you can see that I have used 15 coins on this item, and that gave me 15 cents off discount. And that's a really good option if you want to save some money. And as you have seen, I did absolutely nothing, and AliExpress automatically deducted some amount of coins that I can spend on this specific item. So unfortunately, I cannot enter manually amount of coins that I want to spend. Instead, AliExpress does it on its own. So that's basically how you can use your coins on AliExpress. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.